Good afternoon. Shelley is absolutely worn out and getting some much-deserved rest. You see, we've been selling off some of our household treasures, and we were back in the Phoenix Valley to try to consolidate from 2 fairly large storage rooms, climate-controlled, down to 1. Well, we had gotten one about halfway cleaned out when the facility notified us that the rates were going up. So on our last day in the valley, we began going through and moving what was most precious to the other room. What didn't fit went to Goodwill, and when they closed, went to public dumpsters. Funny how things you once thought so important now are pretty much meaningless. We finished around midnight, swept out the second room, and headed back to the RV for some much-deserved rest. We had to be in Prescott Valley, Arizona at Affinity RV at 11 a.m. to get some warranty work done on the RV. That means being on the road by 0800 the next morning. Shelley was so overtired she didn't sleep much, and she finds it hard to sleep on travel days as well. So, we're running our bodies on pretty close to empty as we made our way to the high country. Affinity was great. In 2 hours, they had removed and replaced a defective cord reel with a new one in the rig, and we were able to head on up to Cottonwood Verde Valley RV Resort to try and get one good night's rest before moving closer to the canyon. I didn't realize just how tired I was. Slept like the dead. While we were in Phoenix, just before the storage room move, we did an upgrade to our RV. We have been using third-party internet providers and small hotspots to provide us with connectivity. The only problem with this is that the hotspots got poor reception, and nobody tells you that once again, even though these programs are marketed as truly unlimited, they really are not. If for whatever reason you go over the allotted 2, 3, 4, or 500 gigs provided, they, the large providers, may and will shut you off. And if they consider yours egregious enough, they may blacklist your hotspot so you cannot use it on their network again. That's pretty rude. Doing some research, we found a few companies who resell internet services, cell-based, that gave some pretty good deals if you're referred by a company who sells commercial-grade modem routers, a device which can be programmed to cap your cell or internet usage to just below your allotted gigabyte amount, thus preventing being booted or blacklisted. And what's even nicer is many of these devices are capable of using 2 SIM cards simultaneously. Thus, when one provider's SIM is nearly used its month's allotment, it can fail over to the other provider, thereby keeping you connected. Some can have 2 modems and 4 cards, especially great for folks who absolutely need the connectivity for work. These devices come with package deals that even include roof-mounted antennas that help improve service. The company we chose is Mobile Must Have. This is not a paid endorsement. We bought all our own equipment and internet packages ourselves. It's just what we use. They are RVers who understand our particular needs and have several nice package deals. The one we went with is the full-timer package, with a referral to a third-party provider who uses T-Mobile, providing 800 gigabytes of internet service. Granted, T-Mobile is sometimes sketchy in the backcountry, but we do have our Verizon iPhones, which we can use if absolutely needed. We can even use it while traveling due to the way we've set the system up. We've dropped $1,000 into the system and service and are hoping that we've done the right thing, and so far have been really satisfied. The device is hardwired to our house batteries, and our solar helps keep the system charged even while on travel days, and we can still use our computers in the cab of the truck as long as we're within cell range. Here's a shot of the hookup. We'll keep you posted on our luck with the service. We worked our way up 89 North to Cameron in the Navajo Nation to rest and work on this video before moving on to do some more exploring. One last thing for today. If you like the music we use in our videos, you too can get some great tracks like ours and like many other creators use for your videos with the referral link we provided you below the video in the description area under referrals. If you use this referral link and actually pick up a subscription with Epidemic Sound, we will get a month's free on our subscription and bring us closer to being an Epidemic Sound ambassador. It's a great way to help support us and get yourself some of the best copyright-free music available for your own usage. To all of our subscribers and viewers, thank you so very much for traveling with us. We really do like having you ride along and absolutely do love all of your comments. We'd also like to give a very special shout out to all of our new subscribers. The free support you've provided us with your subscription is so greatly appreciated. Hope we'll see you again next week as the journey continues. Travel safe.